Hi, I'm Stephen Costello, and this is my app for programming 2B. So when you first use this app, you have this welcome screen where you can enter in your username, and you can also enter in your vehicle type. Alright, so then you can proceed to the map, and by default, the app will use your current location to search for nearby stations. So let's see, here we go, and then you can see that has happened. In the top left, we have this button which takes you to settings. You can see your battery percent, username, and vehicle type. You can change your username here, and you can also change your vehicle type in case you need to update any of that. Alright, you can press accept to save changes or cancel to go back without saving changes. Now down here we see that we have this kind of search view. If you would like to, you can now enter a zip code to search for instead of your location. So let's use a zip code from my hometown. When you press the search button, you can see that now the map has moved to this zip code and you can see the stations located in that zip code. Say that you want to go back to searching based off your location, you can press this use my location button, and now we're kind of back to the default where the app is using your current location to look for stations. If you would like to get rid of this search view, you can press that X, and now you can just see the map by itself. But if you would like to get the search view back up, just press this search button down there and everything's back to normal. Now looking at the stations themselves, when you press on a marker, you're taken to that station's station view. Here we can see the various details. So the name has been taken from the API, as well as the rating, the number of ratings, whether or not the station is open, the station photo, and the address. Now that price has been hard-coded, and so has been the phone number. But the website was kind of basically created using the first word in the station name, which is usually the company's name. The estimated charging time was calculated using the method from 2A. Now you can also see details and reviews. Here this is all basically hard-coded other than the ratings and the name, but this is just to kind of give you a feel for what this would look like for the user flow. Now let's look at a station where all the information was not provided by the API. So in this station there was no photo, no rating, and no open or closed information. So it displays this when there's no ratings, and this is the default image for no picture provided, and also when there's no information about whether it's open or closed, that information is just simply omitted. Alright, so that's essentially everything for my programming 2B. Thank you very much.